Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Item Site Inventory Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD users who work with a large number of item site inventory records in the QAD 1.4.16 menu. This efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage item site inventory details. Then, quickly and safely upload your data into QAD. Let's take a look at how this data loader can help you manage your inventory data with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons that allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to select our database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. As many databases as are needed can be set up in the data loader. Next, we enter the inventory site from which we want the data downloaded. The fields in the banner, highlighted in yellow, allow us to filter records by item, product line, and item type. We can also choose to download Item Master Inventory master data when the item site record is not found. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Item Site Inventory Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate the user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 1.4.16. Let's log in. All item site inventory records that satisfy our selection criteria are downloaded. Any items that don't have inventory records at the specified site will show a Y in the M column when the data is downloaded from Item Master Record. As we see here, the header row is color-coded. Orange highlighted fields are key fields. A new combination will create a new item site inventory record in QAD. Green highlighted fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the values in these columns. Gray highlighted fields provide additional information, but gray fields are not updatable. In this demonstration, we will modify as well as add new item site inventory records. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our new data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if our upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Item Site Inventory data loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic. If inaccurate data is submitted, the loader will reject the entire upload, ensuring no partial upload occurs, and an error message will be returned, as in this case. When an error message is returned, we need to close the status window and correct all errors before attempting our upload again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells containing errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. Again, we must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. And there are no more errors, so let's try our upload again. And this time the upload is successful. We can verify that the data uploaded correctly by downloading information again. And we can see the information was uploaded successfully to QAD, and all specified items now have inventory records at specified sites. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool makes it simple to manage even massive amounts of item site inventory from convenient Excel spreadsheets, and then upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Item Site Inventory Data Loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.